Hi everyone, Rachel from Jacksonville Property here, and this morning I am with Jo. Why don't you introduce yourself, Jo?
Hi guys, my name is Jo Threlfo. I'm from Infront Business. I have a small bookkeeping BAS agent company in the Hunter Valley, and I help small business owners understand their books.
So what exactly does a bookkeeper do, and how do they do it?
Yeah, okay. I'm probably a bit different to the old, the old bookkeeper that gets all your receipts, puts them all together, and goes through your bank statements. That's not me. I like to help you guys to understand how to automate that into online accounting programs so that when you've got to give the information to your accountant at the end of financial year for tax returns, we have uploaded supplier bills, we've uploaded assets, examples, purchase of computers, so the accountant doesn't say, can you send me that invoice? And that was 18 months ago that you bought that new computer for your business, but you don't know what you did with the invoice. So part of what I do is I go on site with clients, I find out what their pain points are, and I find out what program they're using. And if they would like to be open to a change, I may suggest another program where we can upload supplier bills, upload statements, and we can take photos of them. So you can be out and about and you're getting your petrol and you get the receipt, you take a photo with your phone, and it uploads into your accounting package and is all coded within a matter of 3 or 4 seconds.
So nice and easy.
Yeah.
So you basically mainly help out small businesses.
Yeah, I'm actually slightly different to most bookkeepers. I actually have a degree in accounting.
Okay.
I'm more of a management accountant, so I've worked for lots of small businesses as their own company accountant. So anyone I work with, I tend to be their personal company accountant. So I do everything up to the point of the tax return I do the business activity statements and things like that. And I get it prepared very nicely so that the tax accountant can do their tax effectively and quickly.
Which is nice and easy. Pay them less money.
Hopefully.
And how could you, I guess, potentially help our landlords that are maybe
landlords? I do have a couple of clients that have commercial investment properties as well as personal investment properties. Some of these people also have trust behind them, and with trust, you have to send a copy of every single invoice to the accountant at the end of the year.
Yeah.
So what I do is I upload everything as the bills come in. I upload everything into the system, and then when it matches, the tax accountant at the end of the year doesn't have to ask me for every single rent, council bill, water bill, electricity bill, because it's already uploaded. I'm prepared for it, which makes it so much easier.
Benefit.
And then basically we can throw it in the bin. If it's uploaded in the cloud, we can throw it into the bin. So we can do it for personal investment properties, homes, units, or we can do it for commercial, because commercial will have GST implications, whereas most residential don't have GST implications.
Yeah, perfect. And I guess, is there anything else you would love to chat about with our investors or clients that we might come in contact with?
Look, I'd love to help them out. Like if some of them really hate the pain points of keeping all those receipts together, working it all out, I can come by, have a chat to them, show them how it can be done. I can either do it for themselves or they can upload the information and then I can process it into their accounting package. Because in the businesses I've got, I group each property as a separate property. So we can see very quickly if one's making income versus expenses, so whether they're making a profit or a loss, basically.
Yeah.
So that they can see it. Oh, why is this property costing me so much money? Things like that. They can say, oh, look, something's wrong with the electricity meter. We need to get someone in there, or maybe we can get some solar, which can help do later. So not really much into solar. Yeah, but any sort of, and I can also help most investors probably also have a small business, so I can also help them within their own small business to look at applications and programs to help them to be more efficient. I have lots of my small business owners that I deal with, especially tradies. We can put them on a program called Tradeify, where they can actually do their job scheduling as well and make appointments for people rather than just ringing up at the end of the day and using a Google Calendar or an Outlook calendar. They can actually schedule jobs out and they can quote from on their phone. They can take photos on their phone and upload that to the quoting program as well. So there's lots of tradies, especially, I can help out with lots of applications that will make their life easier. Yes.
Yeah, and I guess with the help of the cloud, you can probably help a lot of people. They don't necessarily have to be very local.
No, they don't have to be local. I tend to like to have an online, a face-to-face meeting, especially if they're local. If they're not local, especially now in COVID-19, everyone's getting used to Zoom.
Yeah.
So the biggest fact for me is trying to get someone's accounts up to date. Like at the moment, I've got what we call rescue job going back to 2016.
Wow. Yeah.
And I can only get bank statements to 2018. So we've got to find another way of getting all the stuff in. So there's always a way and a means. The longer you put it off, not being in control of your accounts, the longer it is for us accountants and bookkeepers to pull it all together to make sense of it. Because especially now at the moment, this is another lady that wants to get the JobKeeper subsidy, and because she doesn't have any accounts on record and no BASS lodge, she can't get it at the moment.
Yeah.
And I cannot pull days out of the air, so she'll just have to go. In my little free time, I'll get it done. But
yeah.
So yes. So no, basically, like accounts are not that scary. Doing accounts, getting trained. I have trained some people that really had no idea. But once you understand your own business and you know what you're doing, and it's put in layman terms back to you, you can do anything. You know, I have people that I train for 12 months, 2 years, or I help them out, and then I don't see them again for ever and a day because they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
And today is the movement to the cloud. Like now is 2020, obviously, is the movement to the cloud for those that are a bit scared. So, you know, if anyone wants to take some stress out of their accounts mess, give me a buzz. I can help you.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time today. And like Jo said, if you've got any accounting questions, and she's happy to help out and see what she can do. And especially at the moment, if you do need some advice or help with the job keeper, feel free to contact her and she'll be able to sort you out and point you in the right direction.
Thanks, Rachel. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.